Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trust Wallet to buy coin. First, download the Trust Wallet app from your phone's app store. Once installed, open it and create a new wallet. You'll receive a 12-word recovery phrase. Write this down immediately and store it in a very safe, private place. This phrase is your only way to recover your funds if you lose access to your device, so treat it with utmost care. Now that your wallet is set up, you need to fund it. You have two main options. You can transfer existing cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, from another exchange or wallet directly to your Trust Wallet. Alternatively, you can use the convenient in-app buy feature to purchase crypto using fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros, through integrated third-party providers. Always verify the correct network and address for your chosen coin. To buy cryptocurrency directly within Trust Wallet, simply tap on the Buy tab located at the bottom of your screen. Here, you can select the specific coin you want to purchase, like Ethereum or BNB, and enter the amount in your local currency. Trust Wallet partners with several reputable third-party providers, such as Simplex or MoonPay. Choose your preferred provider, follow their on-screen instructions, and complete the transaction securely. It's a straightforward process. Beyond direct purchases, Trust Wallet offers powerful features like the swap function, allowing you to exchange one cryptocurrency for another directly within your wallet in just a few taps. You can also explore a vast ecosystem of decentralized applications, or dApps, using the built-in dApp browser. This opens up opportunities to connect with decentralized exchanges, participate in yield farming, or engage with various Web3 protocols, expanding your crypto possibilities significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.